The clever monkey. One hot day, a hungry monkey found a basket of mangoes beside a river. Just as he reached for them, a crocodile appeared and growled, "Those mangoes are mine." The monkey quickly smiled and said, "Of course. But the sweetest mango is floating in the river." The greedy crocodile rushed into the water to find it. While he searched, the monkey grabbed a mango, climbed a tree, and enjoyed his meal. When the crocodile returned empty-handed, the monkey laughed and said, "Greed makes you lose what you already have." Moral: use your intelligence wisely and don't let greed fool you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.